Still skipping leg day? These 5 killer moves will leave your quads screaming and your gains undeniable. Let's start with the leg extension, a pure isolation exercise that targets your quadriceps directly. Sit on the machine, place your legs under the pad, and lift upward until your legs are fully extended. Pause at the top for a second, then slowly lower with control. 3 sets times 12 to 15 reps. Next is the hack squat, a machine-based compound movement that works your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Place your shoulders under the pads, keep your back straight, and squat down until your knees hit a 90-degree angle. Push back up with force while keeping your form tight. 3 sets times 10 to 12 reps. Third is the leg press, a powerful movement for overall leg strength. Sit down, place your feet on the platform, and press it upward. Lower it under control until your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Then push it back up with full control. Keep your lower back against the pad throughout. 3 sets times 12 reps. The fourth exercise is the barbell front squat. This hits your quads, core, and upper back. Hold the barbell across your front shoulders. Keep elbows high and squat down with a straight back. This version puts more emphasis on the quads than regular back squats. 3 sets times 8 to 10 reps. And finally, we've got wall sits, a static movement that creates serious tension in your quads. Stand against a wall, lower yourself into a sitting position, and hold it there for 30 to 45 seconds. Feel the burn. 3 rounds times 30 to 45 seconds hold.